Okay, this is to help you guys get a better understanding of what your expectations are for your CT project. I did extend the due date into April 10th. I thought that would give you guys plenty of time to make sure you get the opportunity to watch this, as well as get the hang of it and make sure you do it correctly and don't feel rushed. There's a lot to do in this module, so I felt that extending that due date would be okay for you guys. So I hope that is okay with you. So you'll find on the assignment, I did copy it to the next module, which is module 6, and so you'll find that's where it will be, that's where your Dropbox will be located. And so in the syllabus, you'll find a link, as well as on the assignment, to CT is Us under course resources. Again, you can also find that link on the assignment document when you select CT project. But I'm going to show you a little bit of how to go onto the Google slide presentation. I know that was a question for some of you. And so when you are on the Fort Hays State University homepage, you will click on your Gmail. After you log into your Gmail, you'll click on the tile in the upper right hand corner. In that right hand tile, you will see slides. If you do not have slides there, simply click on more, even more from Google, and that is where you can add slides to your account. Just continue to scroll down and you can add it here. Since I already have it, I'm going to go back up, since I already have it on mine, but that's where you would add slides. So I'm going to go back to my tile and I'm going to open slides. This is just like PowerPoint, so it has the same functionality. So you can select simply a blank presentation, and then theme is where you would select the design. So similar to PowerPoint. So if you look over here on the right hand side, now you can scroll down and select your theme, and you can be creative in this, use whatever you would like. So that is how you're going to go about finding Google slide presentation and how you would add it if you do not have it. So by simply logging into your Fort Hays Gmail, you have access to that. So that's pretty easy. The next portion is you'll find the CT is Us. So let's go there for a minute. And again, that link is on the assignment, but we're going to go to ctisus.com. And this is where you'll search the teaching files. The teaching files are located here. Now I'm going to let you use your discretion on what interests you. And so over here on the left hand side, you can search for anatomical regions. So again, whatever interests you, I'm letting this be completely up to you on what you would like to select. And so you can select an exam or case that interests you. It'll give you some history about that case. But what I would like you to do is then perform additional research on the exam or the pathology that it lists. And so for example, let's just click on liver for a moment. Just make sure you do have a CT exam. Maybe it might be a little slow. So once it opens, it will explain to you the pathology. It'll show you the case. And so down underneath is where you will find polycystic liver and kidneys. And so then that's where you will get your topic to perform your additional research on the exam or the pathology. Okay. Once you have it done additional resources, so 3 additional sources, so that can simply be 3 additional articles. Just make sure if you search them that they're credible sources. And so after that, after you have those sources, you're going to go back to that presentation and create a 5-slide presentation over your topic. Okay, so you can use images from CT is Us, any additional images that you find, and present additional research. So maybe explain what it is, maybe what some of the causes are, what some of the treatments are, what a common CT protocol is. So those would be examples of what you would include in your 5 slides. So 5 slides isn't a lot, but also look at technical factors, image display, image quality, the methods of data acquisition, and any post-processing techniques that are utilized. That's another reason why I extended the due date. We will cover post-processing in the next module, so I thought, well, if you have not and need more explanation on that, that'll also give you the opportunity for that. So 5 slides, that is it. Once you are ready to share it, And just make sure that you've covered all the requirements so that you have met all your examples, so that you've looked at your physics and instrumentation topics, you've looked at the identifying technical factors. Just make sure you read through the assignment so you do include all the requirements. And then once you're ready to post your link, this is how you're going to do it. You'll title your presentation, and you can simply click on that and title it up here. And I've given you instructions for that. And then go to share. And you want to make this, it'll give you a name, so we'll just title it CT Project Spring 16. And then we want to get our link, we want to allow people to view. So don't want anybody to edit it. Then you're going to go down to advanced. We need to change this from private so that people can view it, so we can all see it. So go to change on who has access, and you want it to be anyone at FHSU with the link. Okay, so anyone at FHSU has the link that can access. So save it, and then it's going to give you a link to share. So you can simply Control-C to copy that, or click done, and you go back to share and get a shareable link here. Again, just making sure that it's set to just view, so our link's copied. After our link is copied, you will go back and share it under the assignment module, which I don't have that pulled up, but let me get that pulled up for you. And I don't have the Dropbox up just yet. Since I changed that, I accidentally deleted it, so I have to add it back in. So once you would be able to go into it, you would then share your link under the assignments. Okay, so that should hopefully help you onto how to go about getting into presentations, into CTisus, and what my expectations are for you. So again, just be sure that you do view the assignment document, and then if you have any other questions, just let me know. And again, I extended that due date into April 10th. Thanks.